We follow the no rules methodology. We want to enjoy going to work every single day.
Series A funding.
This is the most exciting phase in a company's life. We expect the headcount in DoorLoop to more than double over the next 12 to 18 months.
The vibes are immaculate.
You were interested in scheduling a demo with us.
DoorLoop's community manager. Atlanta banana.
We want to enjoy coming to work every day and hang out with people that we enjoy, spending time with, creating things that we enjoy working on.
Oh, you're tired.
If you're awesome, please join us.
We are loopers.
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 We're loopers.
We are 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 loopers.
And DoorLoop to the moon, baby!